Welcome guys, today we'll show you how to activate safe mode on POCO F8 Pro. At the very beginning, let's disable the phone. So hold down only power key or power key with volume up key together for a while. From the appeared power menu, use the switcher to choose the power off option. Slide it up. Wait for a while until the device will be turned off. Then hold down the power key until the POCO logo appears. When you will hear and feel vibration, hold down the volume down key until the device turns on. As you can see, safe mode icon in the left bottom corner, it means that the safe mode successfully activated. The safe mode will disable all on-system apps, and it can be helpful if some of the apps make some troubles to use your device. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below, subscribe our channel, and goodbye.